Bristol West Insurance Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Bristol West Insurance specialises in non-standard auto insurance, but most people get this wrong. They think it's just another car insurance company. The surprising truth is that Bristol West provide coverage specifically for high-risk drivers, making it a unique option for those who struggle to find affordable policies elsewhere. Pricing varies based on factors like driving history, vehicle type, coverage limits, and state regulations. On average, monthly premiums range from You won't believe the coverage options included: liability, collision, comprehensive uninsured motorist protection, and even roadside assistance in some plans. Company also offers flexible payment plans to help manage costs. Most people get this wrong by assuming cheaper insurance elsewhere offers the same protection. Bristol West focuses on tailored policies that meet legal requirements while protecting high-risk drivers from financial loss after accidents. This can make the difference between paying thousands out of pocket and having peace of mind. In conclusion, Bristol West Insurance pricing is designed to balance affordability and coverage for drivers who may otherwise be underserved. By understanding premium ranges, policy options, and coverage benefits, you go from zero to pro in evaluating insurance solutions that actually meet your needs.